Are we experiencing past trauma? Do you require healing? If yes, then you are at the right place. This is Pratibha here. We're going to unveil 6 mindful ways to heal trauma without medication. Discover 6 mindful paths to healing trauma, medication free. Let's unveil. They are mindful awareness, grounding techniques, body centered practices, self compassion, emotional regulation, healing relationships. To start with the first one, mindful awareness. So, whenever past trauma triggers, we need to very much mindful about our thoughts, bodily sensations, and emotions. We have to understand ourselves internally that what we are going through. We have to accept that instead of suppressing what we are going through. And this is a way or a start towards healing. Second, grounding techniques. So, whenever past trauma triggers, it's about the past, right? So, we have to reconnect with the present. For that, we need to, focus all our senses towards present environment, like smell, like sights, texture, whatever is present in the surrounding. There, we have to, engage our senses. So, in this way, we'll feel that we are into present moment, not in the past. Again, it's a start towards healing journey. Third, body centered practices like body scan meditation. So, whenever trauma triggers, we have to, go through our bodily sensations from toe to head. We have to go through, we have to accept it, we have to experience it, and then release the energy. So, because of trauma, energy is trapped inside us. So, when we practice this body scan meditation, that energy gets released. Next is self compassion. The way we are kind to others, the way we love others, the way we are self compassionate towards others, we have to be with ourselves too. When we practice self compassion, we cultivate inner strength. We have to practice self compassion. We should not feel ashamed of ourselves. We should not feel guilty of whatever has happened in past. So this self compassion is really very important because it will provide us inner strength. And it's a very beautiful start to love yourselves, to be gentle and kind towards yourself while you are going through this healing journey and experiencing this past trauma. Next is emotional regulation. Whenever trauma triggers, we go through different kinds of emotions. So we have to learn to regulate these emotions so that we should not reply or respond very quickly to it. So mindful practices like progressive muscle relaxation, deep breathing, visualization technique to soothe nervous system, like they are really very helpful to regulate our emotions. If we have to start our healing journey from the particular trauma or past trauma, we need to learn this to regulate our emotions. And last is healing relationships. Seek support from trusted family members, trusted friends, mental health professional who could provide us empathy, validation, compassionate care. We need someone in life with whom we could be ourselves, we could express ourselves. This is really important when we are going through healing journey. When we are going through a trauma, it's really important to seek help and be with someone who will provide us with compassionate care. You're not alone. We all are together. There are different ways towards healing. Try practicing all these mentioned points and you will see the difference yourself. Many of my clients have practiced and they feel better. Subscribe to my channel for more empowering content on overall well being. and mental health. If you want healing, if you are suffering from stress, anxiety, depression, please do connect with me on my Instagram or connect here on YouTube. Comment here and let me know. Reach out to me. You're not alone. Stay mindful, stay blessed. Take care.